In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this Garvey Snow pusher. Really easy, just follow these simple steps. First thing you do is get the piece that looks like this. This is going to go towards the handle, and then this is the piece where the wheels are going to go. With this held upright like this, take one of these split pins and slot it through the hole here. One split pin installed, I recommend you hold it in place and then bend it over. So get a pair of pliers and then just bend around like this. And like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Split pin in. We'll put a couple washers on, one on either side. So we'll just do one side first. And we're going to install our wheel and make sure the pressure valve is facing outwards when you install it. So we're going to put it on this side here. We're going to slide it in through there. We're going to put another washer on and put a split pin through the hole here. Like that. Hold all steady, get your pliers, and then bend it around. Let's do the other side. Now we're going to focus our attention on the plough part and take this bracket here, and it's going to go in the back right here. Now, which way round it goes, it's going to go with this little tube section here facing down, and the plough, the holes are going to be closer to the bottom, and you can see there's a little bit of plastic on the bottom here, and that's what's going to scrape the ground. We're also going to use the 4 small bolts here, the square part of the screw here that's going to go through. So we're going to put this through the plough, so it's on that side, bring in our bracket, and that's going to go like this. Now I'm going to lie this down a little bit more so I can work with it. With it down like this, I can put my washer on and then put the nut on. Put the washer on and then tighten that 10mm wrench and then just tighten these up. And this is what it looks like on the front now. You have the 4 bolts that we just put in here, plus all the bolts down the bottom that are holding on the sacrificial strip along the bottom. Now we're going to connect the handle together. Notice there are 2 holes here and then 2 down the bottom end here. This is the part that's going to connect onto the base of the pusher, this part here. You'll notice there are 4 holes here, so you can put it at this height, or this height. I'm going to go with the tallest setting. I'm taller, so we'll try there first. So there, and then we can bring in these little nuts here and tie that in. We're going to take one of these longer bolts, washer and nut, and we're going to attach this plough to the wheels. We're going to slide this bolt through the top of this bracket, through the part of the wheel assembly, and then out the bottom. When installing the wheels onto the pusher, make sure that this bracket system here is on the opposite side to the plastic pushers here. We're then going to install the handle into here and put the big bolt through the bottom here. That's going to allow this to move up and down. You will need to get a smaller screwdriver to hold this bolt on this side because the tire is in the way. Turn this up. Line this up straight, slot this in here, and we could lift the handle up to what I think might be a usable position and slot this through, and we can put this nut on. And that's how to assemble this Garvey metal snow pusher.